welcome to my channel. This side Veronica. So hope you all are safe, staying at home. So beauties, in this quarantine and beauty video, I'm going to tell you how you have to take care of your oily face, of your oily skin I must say. So how you have to take care of it. Going to tell you about DIY oily anti-oily face mask I must say. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So guys, here I'm done with my face pack which is best for oily skin people. Oily skin people, like if you're having acne prone skin, oily skins, and then this mask is best for you. Even though if you're having that dark spots and like acne marks on your face, this face pack. Friends, before applying this face pack, let me tell you about the ingredients. I add up like 2 ingredients in it. The first one is sandalwood powder. If sandalwood powder is not available at your home, you can use gram flour powder also, which we call besan in Hindi. So here I'm taking 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder, and the second thing is aloe vera gel. That's it. You don't need to add any more, and you have to apply it. Let me show you by applying it on myself. Right now I'm not wearing any makeup on my face. So just wash your face with normal face wash and then apply this face pack which is best for oily skin. So friends, after applying this face pack, you have to let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes just wash your face with normal water. Friends, after letting it dry, now I'm going to wash my face with normal water. So friends, I'm back. I just washed my face with normal water and you can see this pack is like, oh my goodness. This will gonna make your face so soft, so glowy and like amazing. Yeah, I'm having a combination skin though, but still having oily skin in summer, so this face pack works amazingly on my skin. It just removed all the excess oil, dirt, impurities, and just made my face so soft, clean and dry. So hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Just go and try this home remedy DIY face pack at home, and trust me, this is totally worth it. Hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel, do follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.